Hello, this is Cameron with United Credit, showing one of our videos, proof videos, showing one of our trade lines posting. This particular line here was a Wells Fargo. This actually is a CPM profile, so it was blank. He had one account to it. He purchased a Wells Fargo. Let's see what he got. He got a 15,000. This is about almost 10 years. April 12th, 2012. Authorized user. This line here is on sale right now for $395. Post in about 7 days. Call for more information. We have over 400 trade lines actually posted every week. To get on our list, you go to tradelines.biz or call for a free consultation on how a trade line may help you or may not help your profile. We can let you know whether it'll be worth your while to buy a trade line. Sometimes you can buy a trade line, you won't get a nice boost. You get maybe a 5-point boost. In that case, it won't be worth it. We can let you know by analyzing your profile. So call 202-213-2218 for more information or for a free consultation. We're still doing credit sweeps. That's creditsweep.us. And we're still doing CPN numbers. That's cpn70.com. Subscribe to our channel for weekly updates on our videos. Hit the like button. We appreciate it for the algorithm. Have a great day.